Resumption of work after lockdown. Note: leave your cell phone at hostel or room. Only authorized people are allowed to bring cell phone to the company premises. Bus boarding point to company gate entry procedure. Before step into the bus, thermal scanning to be done at boarding point. Collect self-declaration form and step into the bus. Seat inside the bus in alternative sequence. Fill self-declaration form. After reaching bus inside of company, get down from bus and walk through marked lines. Again thermal scanning to be done by security. Update body temperature in self-declaration form and keep it on defined table. Scan the punch card with distance of 2 cm from punching machine. Then sanitize your both hands properly. Collect the PPEs from security. Then walk through shoes disinfecting tray and walk towards shop floor through marked lines. Maintain social distance while working in shop floor. Drinking water procedure at company. If anyone is near to aquaguard, then others have to wait in respective markings as shown in the picture. Before taking the water glass, sanitize both the hands by pressing foot pedal of sanitizer stand. After that, pull water glass towards down. Press water tap with forearm to fill water. Remove the mask from one side and drink the water. After drinking water, put the mask on face and dispose the glass in defined dustbin. Again, sanitize your hands properly, then go back to work. Activities from workstation to canteen. When you are going to canteen during break time, first of all, remove all your gloves and hang it in gloves holder. Then walk directly towards washroom. Wash your hands as per the guidelines with soap oil at least for 15 to 30 seconds. After washing hands, walk towards canteen through plant 1 door which is near to UJ line. Stand in marked lines in canteen while taking food. Per batch, only 40 people are allowed at canteen. Self-service is not allowed. Only canteen staff will provide plate and food. After taking plate, keep it on defined table. Then, remove your mask from air side and disinfect the mask. Then, throw mask in defined dustbin. After that, sanitize your hands properly. Then take your food and sit any one of the table in the canteen and have your food. Here, ensure that only 2 persons can sit in one table. After completing your food, keep your plate on washing slab and wash your hands neatly. Exit from canteen and walk towards plant 2 door near Dana Diamond area and stand on marked lines to collect new mask and surgical gloves. After getting new mask, wear it properly. Then, thermal scanning will be done by security. Then, sanitize your hands and go back to work.
Safety at toilet and washroom. Only 5 people are allowed inside restroom. Do not use toilet if strip is torn off. Push the door by foot. After using of toilet, wash your hands properly with soap oil. Then, update toilet disinfection record, which is displayed on the wall. Housekeeping person will identify the room and time based on updated sheet. Housekeeping person will disinfect the used toilets. Housekeeping person will update sanitized time and name in sheet.
Shift end process. During shift end, remove cotton gloves and hang it in gloves holder. Update documents like hourly sheets, logbook and others. Now dispose all glasses in defined dustbin. Then go to washroom and wash your hands properly with soap oil. Ensure that only 5 people are allowed inside of washroom with maintaining social distance. Then move towards company exit gate through marked lines. Disinfection of shoes to be done. Thermal scanning will be done by security. Scan the punch card from 2 cm distance and sanitize both the hands. Move forward and collect the new mask from security. For girls, get hair caps along with it in a Ziploc bag. Collect self-declaration form for the people coming in personal vehicle. Step into the bus. Disinfection. Disinfection of company vehicle. Disinfection of office. Disinfection of machine working area. Disinfection of canteen. Disinfection of washroom and toilet. Safety first. All day, every day. Thank you.